Here at the National Law Enforcement Museum, the Wall of Fallen Officers in the Hall of Remembrance is updated with fallen officers who were recently added to the National Law Enforcement Officers Memorial. This includes recently fallen officers as well as those discovered by the memorial's historical research team. As we transition the names and faces displayed here, we remember the 556 fallen officers that we honored in 2023, as well as the 282 officers being recognized now in 2024. The museum's beautiful and emotionally moving Hall of Remembrance provides a reflective and peaceful space for visitors to remember their fallen loved ones and offers an inextricable link between the memorial and the museum.